My name is Jeremy Nichols. I'm with Intel's Digital Office Platform Division. What we have here today is a demonstration of the latest Intel vPro on IBM's ThinkCentre M57P. We also have a Centrino Pro system, IBM's ThinkPad T61. So we're going to showcase some of the basic Intel AMT capabilities that are part of this latest vPro platform. What we have here is Microsoft's Systems Management Server 2003, and this software is typical in a lot of enterprises. And what we have installed on this SMS 2003 is the latest Intel AMT add-on. Now this add-on is available from Intel.com for a free download. So if you're an SMS shop, you're able to download this product, add it, and then if you have any vPro or Centrino Pro clients in your environment, you'll be able to manage those with more enhanced capabilities. So what I'll do first is to introduce is I have the two clients that I'm managing to previously discovered. I have my vPro client and my Centrino Pro client. And I'm going to show you some of the basic capabilities here that are fundamental to the Intel vPro platform. I've selected my vPro client and I've expanded out some of the features that I have and that I have access to. From an IT manager standpoint, these are very powerful. I have features and things that I can get to regardless if the OS is working, if it's crashed, if the system's powered off. I have things that I can use to troubleshoot issues, to make things more secure, to update software. And I'll just touch on a few of these. The first one is asset information. I can pull over basic pieces of information that allow me to take that back to databases of information to see information about hardware, perhaps what users using it, any other details. Power control features allow us to do things like shut down, start up, reset. Redirection allows me to go into a BIOS remotely, be able to boot to a CD or an ISO, something here on my management side that affects the client. And then there's system defense operations that allow you to set policies to watch for malicious traffic. And based on the policy, take a set of actions based on what happens. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull over some asset information on my vPro client. And you can see it's basic information, but still powerful enough for an IT manager to utilize this to help troubleshoot an issue. Serial numbers, that kind of information. And from another standpoint, we have power features. What I will do is I will use the power control features to power down the system. If you want to think from a kind of an energy efficiency standpoint, energy savings, imagine turning down one or multiple clients at night to save energy. Use these power control features to reset a crashed system to get it back into a functioning state. Very powerful tools. Switching over to the laptop, to our ThinkPad T61, I will again pull over some of that asset information. And the great thing about this is that I'm doing this over wireless network, as Centrino Pro features 802.11 wireless capabilities. And even in a wireless mode, I am able to pull over this information. And on both of these systems, they are not running any agents. There is no Microsoft agents, which makes this demonstration even more powerful for the capabilities that exist. To do something kind of fun and exciting, from an IT manager standpoint, what I'm going to do is go in and remotely control that laptop. I want to go in and take control of that BIOS. Even though it's in a wireless state, I have that capability. So I've made my selections in my tool and I'm going to start that session. What will happen is our laptop will restart and I will be able to take control of it remotely and be able to make BIOS changes, different settings, go in and take a look at the things that are possible. You can see that on the management console side, I am able to see remotely what is happening on the client's computer. So I can come into the BIOS, make necessary changes. If there's something that I need to implement, I have that capability. And that's all possible with vPro technology. That's a preview of Lenovo's OEM solutions and Microsoft software.